Victory over insecurity. Jeremiah chapter 1 verses 6 to 8. The word of the Lord says, Alas, sovereign Lord, I said, I don't know how to speak. I am too young. But the Lord said to me, Do not say I am too young. You must go to everyone I say to you and say whatever I command you. Do not be afraid of them, for I am with you and I will rescue you, declares the Lord. Mga igsoon, insecurity is not from God. It is the lie of the enemy to keep you from your calling. Mga igsoon, there are times that we feel too small, too unqualified, or we are thinking that we are not enough. We say to ourselves, wala ko'y talent, dili ko maayo musturya, basig masayop ko. You know what? Even Jeremiah, a prophet of God, felt the same way. He said, I don't know how to speak. I am too young. But God did not agree with his insecurity. God answered him with truth, with calling, and he reminds him of his presence. Today, let me give 3 biblical truths to win over insecurity. First, God corrects our excuses. Jeremiah said, I'm too young. But God said, stop saying that. Why? Because insecurity always speaks in excuses. But God always answers with truth. He corrects our wrong thinking before He sends us out. Mga igsoon, stop calling yourself what God has never called you. Your age, your background, and your weakness does not cancel your calling. God says, don't speak doubt, speak truth. And He reminds Jeremiah, I am with you. Second, God commands our mission. God did not just comfort Jeremiah, He commissioned him. That means we're not making this up on our own. We are not stepping out in our own words. God gives us a clear direction and a divine assignment. Kung ang Ginoo ang nagsugo, siya pod ang mag-andam sa dalan. God doesn't send us without instruction. He gives us the message and the mission. Third and lastly, God covers us with His presence. The greatest cure to insecurity is not self-confidence. It is God confidence. He didn't say, you can do it because you are great. But God said, you can do it because I am with you. Igsoon, hinumdumi ni, you may feel weak, but you are not alone. Mga igsoon, here's the truth. Insecurity is a lie you no longer have to believe. God has corrected the lies you tell yourself. God has commanded the direction you're meant to be. God has covered you with His unfailing presence. So even you feel unready, God is already prepared. Even if you feel unsure, His word is sure. Even if you feel afraid, His promise is firm. You are not your insecurity. You are God's instrument, mga igsoon. So walk forward with peace, not pressure. You already have the victory over insecurity because the God who called you is walking with you. You are not alone. Good day and God bless everyone.